A warm greetings to everyone present here, respected principals, our coordinators, our teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Sarbashree Sah, from grade 7A to in front of you all to present a short speech on a topic about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a very special moment and festival for a brother and sister. In this day, sister tie Rakhi on brother wrist and prays for good health and happiness. Brother also give gifts and promise for supporting and helping. I have a question for you all. You know when is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? Sorry? Yeah, that's correct answer. On this day, family wear new dresses, make tasty food, and spending time with each other. I like this festival because it brings brother and sister closer. And do you like also? And you also like, I think you also like this festival? Yes, thank you.